Hi, welcome back to the series on frequently asked questions in dentistry. I am Dr. Prem Lawrence. I am an implantologist who has placed more than 5,000 dental implants and practice under the name Gold Dental. Today's question of the day is a pretty very interesting one. Are dental implants safe? Dental implants are definitely safe because in dental implants we use a material called titanium. This titanium is biologically inert, or they are not non-reactive. More than non-reactive, they are in fact biocompatible. Thereby, when we place an implant inside the bone senses the titanium as its own and starts depositing bone cells around the implant. So these titaniums are very safe because the body senses as its own and starts depositing bone cells. So implants are definitely safe, and if your dentist is advising you on, please get it done. Thank you. Once again, Dr. Prem, your own implantologist.